Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am reciting a rhyme. This rhyme name is Two Little Dicky Birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back,